Let me show you how we can use the Now bar on Samsung Galaxy A27. So Now bar is pretty much like an additional banner that we can access on the lock screen, which allows us to control some apps. Unfortunately, the list of apps is pretty much fixed and only some apps work with the Now bar. Most of them are just Samsung apps, but still, if you want to take a look at the list, if you go to settings and choose lock screen over here, then we should be able to go to Now bar. And then here in live notifications, we can see all apps that we can control using the Now bar. So this is how it looks like. So let's say I'm gonna enable the clock app. I'm gonna use it in some way to make sure that it is going to be displayed on the Now bar. Let's say I'm gonna start the timer. Let's set up 15 minutes timer over here. And also I'm gonna activate the voice recorder as well. Just to show you how we can, of course, switch between the apps, because we can actually use control multiple apps on the Now bar at once. So let's do so. Usually, in order to quickly tell if the app can be accessed through the Now bar, is by looking at the notifications list over here right next to time. So usually the Now bar, the app that it works with Now bar has this bigger notification, which is actually called live notification. Also, if you open the notification tray, we can clearly see these apps as well and these notifications. So now let's go to the lock screen. And there we go. Here at the bottom, we have our Now bar. You can tap on the bar in order to reveal additional options. So of course, usually we have the option to, for example, just pause an app or something, or renew whatever the app is supposed to do. And after tapping, we can find some additional options from time to time. This actually depends on the app itself, what is accessible over here, but this is how it looks like. You can also switch between these apps. So as I said, we can use multiple apps at once. Here I have the timer. I can just quickly switch between one and another. And I can do exactly the same thing. I can tap, for example, on the bar in order to find some additional options. And that is pretty much the whole functionality of the Now bar. Now, of course, it also has some useful features like the media player, which we can control from the lock screen. So this means that you don't have to fully unlock the phone in order to be able to, let's say, skip a song or something. So, of course, it is still quite useful feature. And unfortunately, only some apps are working, as I said. So maybe in the future, it is going to be updated. Maybe more apps are going to be available for the Now bar. But this is how it looks like right now. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.